Hi everyone, in this video we're going to cover how to view and manage your client list. This is a list of people that have already engaged previously with your lead capture pages and have left their name, email, or phone number to be contacted at your discretion. When you log in, you'll be clicking on the icon at the top menu here where it says Client List. We'll be using this account as an example. On the left it shows a summary of your total clients. The search feature, if you wanted to put in a name or email address, I'm just going to put in Brenda and click go. And it shows us the two Brendas that are on the page. Okay, and back to this client list. It also shows any upcoming tasks for these clients that you've scheduled in the system. Tasks will be covered in another video tutorial because that has a little more explaining to do. This bottom part shows here your last 10 most recent clients that have signed up if you need to quick access to their information for whatever reason. Okay, and these, if you go down here, you can obviously, it only shows like a certain amount of people, but you can scroll down here and go to the next page. It'll load the next amount of people to view their information and make edits to it accordingly. So over here at this blue circle button, it will have a slide out menu where you can navigate to the other sections of the client listing. Here you can add a client. I'll click on that. You would have to enter all of the information manually. We'll go back to this again and search clients. If it's similar to the other on the other option on the main page, but it goes into a little more depth where you can click between these and search by the name, their email address, their type, their campaign, what they've chosen. The client types will take you to a page right here. We'll go here. Current client types will take you to a page where you can assign a specific client a type in our system. You can also create your own type if there isn't an option in here that already is in our predetermined list. We'll do a test here and do test client type 1, add the client type. If you scroll down here, you can see that it was added. And then to assign a client to this, you can just click Assign Clients right here. And it should load their list. They have quite the list. So right here, you can just click Assign, but we're not going to assign anybody to this person's account because they may already have current accounts set up for this. So we'll go ahead and delete this. So it's back to the default. The last item we're going to look at is the import client list feature. So when importing a list, it has to follow a certain criteria. It needs each field listed here: first name, last name, address, city, state, zip, phone, email address, and the client type. These fields are all required to be uploaded and must be in a CSV file, which is basically your typical Excel sheet or spreadsheet file. Now, you can choose the file, you can choose the email campaign with it to apply to these specific clients on this list. It will override everything that you've written into there. Like I said it before, these fields are all required and they must be an Excel sheet. And of course, there's always the option to, if you're having any trouble, you can email the support line and our tech team will, if you just send them the file, they'll actually format it for you and they'll upload it for you. It usually takes about maybe 24 hours to process all the information depending on how many clients that you have. So that's the wrap up for the client list import feature. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and we will gladly help you. Thanks.